Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 17th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on the pound dollar, make sure you check out the video from this morning, linked at the end of this video over here. So the pound really didn't do a whole lot today. A lot of the dollar pairs were pretty slow. It did actually technically go up and break structure, and I do think it is going to make some sort of a corrective pattern, maybe end up looking something like this, some sort of a three-way pattern, probably some sort of an ABC correction, or maybe even a more complex correction like a WXY, or maybe even some sort of a flat correction, probably at least up to the 38 or possibly even the 50%. Now, if you are trading the shorter time frames, especially under the 1 hour, then you could definitely be looking for longs at least until we get up to one of these fib levels. But the trend is definitely down on all the higher time frames, and I still think that the best trades are going to be trying to get short at the end of these ABC corrections, or like I said, whether it's a complex correction or a traditional ABC, I am definitely going to be looking for shorts, probably at either the 38 or the 50% Fibonacci retracement. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel link down here below on the left, and don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live trading sessions and access to my swing trade setups at my website fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.